Before I even drive my MX-5 for the first time since slamming it, I need to sort out its misfiring issue. I've changed everything that can possibly be related to the misfiring issue except for these injectors. This one's for the awkwardly angled one, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh, good. That's a short bolt. Come off. Come off, come off. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of fuel coming out. That's fine. I really should have paid more attention to that part of the YouTube video. Okay, washer and bolt. All right. Oh yeah. 2. That looks really bad. All right, I'm saving him to last. He looks bad, isn't it?
It's doing a wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle.
My money don't jiggle, jiggle. It folds. I like to see you wiggle, wiggle.
Oh, my fuel is coming out a lot. Oh, it's still leaking, Rob. A lot.
What are we meant to
I
do?
put my finger there. Oh, it's left a big sting at the bottom. Big fucking hole. It stopped coming out, but it's wet down there. There doesn't seem to be a lot of movement here now. Oh, here we go. Got it out.
Let's just hope we don't catch on fire when we start the car.
That would be monumental. The year the car doesn't work, started to drive it for the first time, and it burst in flames. Great. This is the third one, which looks like the worst. Look, it has a lot more grime around it. It could have been clogged.
Old ones versus brand new used ones. What the fuck?
Let's go. This one is a new one, but it looks like an old one. I don't know, man.
Because they're brand new used, isn't it?
Brand new used. For me, I've got to make sure it gets in the hole. All right, Mish, I think that one's flush.
Yes, sir.
Flush. All right, that one is flush.
Come on, you can do it, mate. Just make sure you remember what plug goes to which injector, yeah?
Yeah, I haven't remembered that. Flush. That's flush, mush. Line them up. This is the important part. I think you put too much lube on that freaking grommet.
It's never too much lube. Come on.
They should go in fairly easy now.
It's fairly easy to say. It's fairly easy, Mush.
That sounded good.
My back.
Your back is so broke off. Bolted down, clicked in. It's a moment of truth. Bear in mind, this car hasn't fucking run in a year.
Come on.
I didn't hear a misfire.
Is that you, yeah? Is that your car without a misfire?
Oh my god, I'm nervous. Okay, we got my first bump, but it's not a major one. That was alright. Okay, now this is the first time I've driven this car in a year.
That's a big bump.
Yeah, it's just my exhaust scraping. It's really weird to go from like BMW back to this. But it's kind of easier than I thought so far.
Yeah.
It's been okay, I'm literally out and about, lads. Okay, so I just coming off the motorway. I done 70 miles per hour and nothing fell off, which is a good sign. Like, even though I just thought to myself, I haven't even torqued down the wheels. But there is one problem, and that is every time I stop, my car dies. And it's scary because when my car dies, the brake goes really hard. So like, I have to quickly restart it and stop again. And I'm scared that I'm basically gonna rear end someone. But right now, I'm just trying to get to Osama's house safely. But it feels like I'm driving a go-kart. Like, this shit is so light. Oh yeah. Scrapey boys. I'm gonna let you take this bump as practice, because this is like the biggest bump I know, and I might as well practice on one where I know it than I don't know it. So let's see if I can get over it. Big fat oof. Bump is still on at least. Okay, let's try again.
Are you stuck?
No, it's just bad. Oh, big fat oof. I mean, all right, that's the biggest bump I know, and both front and rear bumpers are on. That's good, but that noise was not nice. That noise was terrible.
Hello, Rich.
That's not good.
Well, no, yeah, no, it's not good.
We just put new injectors in it, mate.
And it's still smoking like that.
Yeah. You can class there, you are.
What are they saying? Are they chatting shit?
No, your car's smoking black.
This car's like, it's driving, but I don't trust it with my whole heart, you know that. I don't trust this car. So we're having a couple of problems. Robert, rev it? Yeah.
I have no idea where it was. Literally 2 hours ago, before we left yours, was fine. It sounds like it's running on 2 cylinders. I mean, I don't know. Where do we go from here?
Are you feeling positive?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy, fuck it. Is that wet or dry? Looks dry.
It's got a lot of black on it.
I think we should change them because they are freaking dirty.
I have no idea what this even means.
From what the forums are saying, it's bad, but let's double check.
Yeah, those are fucked.
Eurocopos is already shot and Halfers do not stock my spark plugs right now. So instead we've decided to clean up the old ones. They actually look brand new and see if it makes any difference.
They look brand new used. Spark plugs are in. Let's start this thing, let's see.
Okay.
Oh, fucking hell.
Black. Oh my god.
Big puff of black smoke. But it's running fine though. What is wrong with the mysterious thing, man? It's fine now, right?
It seems fine, but let's go for more of a longer spin.
Putting some good juice in there.
See if it'll make a difference. So we cleaned the spark plugs up and it was running alright at the beginning and then it started dying again. So we decided to go fill it up with fuel, Shell V-Power, and since then it's been fine. It hasn't died again, so I have fingers crossed that maybe it's to do with bad old fuel, and now, next time I drive it, it'll be fine. But I can only wait and see.
Yeah. Look.
There you go. What are you doing now, Laura?
Taking the shock off.
And installing what?
Coilovers, BC Racing, coilovers. He's already done the rear last weekend on my video. You lot commented down below you want to see more of Uzi's car. That's why we're back here, lowering the front. I need to put proper coilovers in my MX-5.
Yeah, seals there.
Please explain how to go in any side, any angle. Just shove it in.
No, there's not that way.
Like this way?
You come from underneath.
Bro, I thought it was that way, you know. That's what I was asking you earlier.
Just a smidge. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Sorry, love.
Never trust a woman to do a man's job, eh?
Look at that.
I'm working on a new Beamer, you see me? It's flush bush.
Fine, man. The bumper's fucked anyway. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
If he ain't tucking, he ain't fucking.
Well, I can't even fucking get the jack up. Don't you want to put
Bruh, put the brick there, you idiot.
Don't worry, you're not an idiot, Osama. You just never had a slam car before.
I've had more slam car than you.
You're probably the micro when you sat there, you fat fuck. Hey, reverse off the brick.
Go on, drive it.
That fitment looks nice.
Bro, fuck the fitment. There's no way I'm fucking driving down the road.
Wait, hold on, man. Just take it off the brick first and then see.
Look at the rear, Izzy.
Izzy,
you can't even put your finger under.
Uncle Osama's stressed. This fitment is nice though. Looks like air ride.
What were you saying about slam?
This is lower than mine.
I know.
This feels like I'm next to MX-5.
I'm not.
It's the first time everyone's seeing my car out and they're all taking turns trying sitting in the bucket seat. Cass, how's it going?
I'm so fat.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Ooh.
Like this. How do you feel?
I feel claustrophobic.
It feels claustrophobic, doesn't it?
I'm gonna die.
Trying getting out is harder. Literally, you don't know how to get out.
No, that's not happening, bro. Hey, somebody help me, fam.
Legs out first, hand on the roof.
No, that's painful.
Try your butt out. Get your butt out first. Trust me. Get this off. Yeah.
Oh, my shoulder. Oh, that's exercise done for the week.
Literally.
That's it, we're done.
That fitment though, look at that.
That is sexy.
Beautiful, mate.
Yeah, you can touch the floor. Look. Look at that. Go on. Go on.
Oh shit! I think you put the harness on now.
No, I'm alright. I'm alright.
Wait, how do you even put it on? I'm gonna try and figure out.
It's complex and you might touch his willy by accident.
You might like it.
I told you I'm too fat.
Yeah, I'll do the same thing.
Yeah! Come on!
£250 gone. £250 gone. Well done, Kaz. All these tires 2 weeks ago. What happened? Tire tread's going. When? What? You still got tire, bro. Do one more. Come on. That's how you do a burnout. Where's Cass? Look, that's how you do a burnout, bro.
Mine had more smoke.
So my car's still acting up a little bit, but we think we found out that every time that the fuel gets low, it starts acting up more. So I'm filling up again because we took an hour drive out to this car meet, so obviously it went low again. I hope that it's just like old bad fuel which is causing it, and that the more I fill it up over time, the less I'll have this issue. I'm also going to change the spark plugs when your car park's open on Monday, so eliminate that issue as well. But I don't know, it seems to be okay. First drive's gone better than I thought because I actually drive a slam car better than I thought. It's not that bad, I can't lie. People chat shit, I want to go lower, to be honest.
Go on then, bow, bow.
You know, I am girl, but I can do sometimes.
No, you're very.
Hi, can I have number 3, please?